Hello there viewers and subscribers. So today we're going to be looking at one of the coolest clocks I ever came across the internet. It's very stylish and has a lot of features, and it's called the GOgroove BlueSYNC TYM. So that's what we're going to be unboxing today. So here's the box that this clock comes in. I ordered it from Amazon.com, and as you can see it came in perfect condition. There's no scratches on the box, nothing, no blemishes, nothing like that. And on the side here we have some specifications, so I'll try to zoom in on that and show you what they are. So this clock has two 3-watt speakers, which together are 6 watts RMS or 12 watt peak. The drivers are 40mm full range, and impedance is 4 ohms. Frequency response is 90 Hz to 20,000 Hz, which is really good. Bluetooth version 2.1. This SN ratio is 65 dB. Then operating distance 30 feet. Power is 5 volt DC. There's auxiliary input, 3.5mm audio plug, which is included. And the dimensions are 8.75 inches by 5.5 inches and 2.87 inches. And this clock weighs at 1.75 pounds. So here on the other side it says it's universally compatible, modern wood design with LED time and weather display, and onboard controls for pairing, volume, alarm, play, and hands-free calls. So now that we're done going over the features, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so here inside we find the standard DC plug for our clock. Next comes the 3.5mm cable that comes included, so you can plug it in the back and the auxiliary port. And here's the clock right out of the box. And we also have some instructions and warranty and stuff like that. Okay, so with this booklet we get a 3-year warranty, some featured products, and it's also an instruction manual on how to use this clock. And here's the 3-year warranty registration paper. Okay, so now let's take a look at this clock, and as you can see it comes in a nice bag. Very nicely packed. So right out of the box it looks like a piece of black wood with speakers, very advanced, very high tech. Here's the display. If you might see their numbers in the back of it, I see them, so you should see them too. And it looks really good. There's no bubbles, nothing like that, no scratches, no edge chipping. So all in all it came in perfect condition. So here on the left side of the clock we have that 40mm speaker, full range speaker driver, or whatever you may call it. And also on the other side, same thing. Then on the top we have a touch button guide, and I'll zoom in and let you see it for yourself. And this is how the touch controls look like on the top of the clock. So here in the back of the clock we have the DC 5 volt jack, the auxiliary input. Then here we have the alarm button, so you press this to set your alarm, time button, which you press to set time, down button and up button. And this also controls your 12-hour or 24-hour mode. And here if you press this button when you're not in any mode, you just select which kind of alarm you want to use. There are 3 types of alarm. One alarm is for your alarm to go off only one day. Second alarm is for it to go out every day. Then third mode is for the alarm to be off. And here is the temperature sensor. Okay, so when you power on the clock, this is how it would look like. You have 2 modes, this mode and this dimmer mode. And as you heard, the feedback on the buttons is really ugly. Sounds very bad in my opinion. And also when you want the Bluetooth to turn on, you just press and hold this button and your Bluetooth is on, so you can pair it with your device and listen to music. Okay, and I also forgot to give you a demonstration of how the alarm clock sounds. I guarantee 100% it will wake you up. I set it to 7:55, so let's just wait for that to come. So yeah, that is the alarm clock. Now what did I say, isn't that a beautiful sound to wake up to in the morning? So great. And you just snooze it like that. Now it's blinking. I think you have to hold the snooze button and then it stops blinking, which means your alarm clock will go off the next day. And here I will give you a sample of some music being played through the two speakers on the sides of the clock. Okay, so my phone right now is on high volume and here we have on low volume, and this is how it sounds. And then if we add volume, I think this is on medium because it goes much higher than this. As you can hear, it's pretty freaking loud. And I can tell you the bass is really good and it sounds awesome too. So here you have a listen.